Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Before we dive deep into exploring how to earn in the metaverse, let's first understand what metaverse is and what it entails. The metaverse is a platform of highly immersive, virtual worlds with a core focus on social interaction and communication that you can enter through a virtual reality headset and VR glasses. In the metaverse virtual space, people can come together to do activities through their digital avatars, like attending a concert, participating in online classes, playing games, buying plots, or building a house. In simple words, the metaverse is a virtual reality that parallels our lives, making almost everything possible. The vital role in the realization of this concept relies mainly on such technologies as virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR), digital assets and Web 3.0, Internet of Things, 3D graphics and reconstruction, artificial intelligence. Although many aspects of the metaverse concept are abstract and not precise, some components and specific elements, including non-fungible tokens and cryptocurrencies, are expected to play a leading role in its economy and internal infrastructure. In this video, we are talking about how to make money with the metaverse in 2023 for beginners. But before we get into the video, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Number 10. Metaverse architecture. As a metaverse architect and designer, you will be responsible for designing, building, and maintaining the virtual worlds of the future. Designers have many exciting opportunities to build new virtual worlds and make money from them. The first step is to learn how to design and build virtual worlds. You can then get hired by other people in the metaverse to design buildings, 3D designs, and other projects and get paid for your work. Number 9. Promote businesses. You can promote businesses like other people's business accounts in the metaverse. You will be rewarded for referrals and then rewarded further for conversions. You can advertise a firm within the metaverse or in real life and get paid on commission from sales. Promoting business doesn't require you to have any special design skills. But if you have, you can use it to create appealing visuals and images to help sell more and earn more. Number 8. Run e-commerce business. An e-commerce site will enable you to sell your products or services directly to other residents of the metaverse. The main advantage of an e-commerce site is that it puts you in direct control of your virtual business and offers you a wide range of options. You can choose how and where you want to promote your products, how much you want to charge for them, and what kind of customer service you want to offer. Number 7. Rent out your land. Land renting on the metaverse is a great way to make quick money. This business has been around for some time now, and people prefer to rent land rather than buy it. You can find some companies built entirely on rented land. If you're interested in this business model, you need to understand how it works. You have to know your potential customers and what income you can expect. The good news is that the process is pretty straightforward and does not require a lot of planning or preparation. Number 6. Create and sell NFTs. The non-fungible token NFT market is booming, so if you're interested in creating NFTs, there's no better time than the present. You can create NFTs for anything, from a painting to a song to an animation. Creating NFTs is a great way to make money in the metaverse because it allows you to make money from and showcase your one-of-a-kind piece and the work of other artists. When you sell NFTs, you can choose whether or not to let other people mint from your work. Minting is the process of allowing others to copy your design. If you let someone else reproduce your NFT, you can get a percentage of the sales every time someone buys that design. Number 5. Participate in concerts. There are several ways for you to make money in the metaverse. You can participate in concerts, shows, and movies, watch live gameplays, and socialize with your friends and family. You can join discussions on blockchain, AI, gaming, and other technological topics. Share your expertise on topics or perform in events and get rewards, tips, or any payment for participating. In addition, you can join virtual conferences and seminars and learn while making money. Number 4. Create an online store. One of the best ways to make money in the metaverse is to become an online shop owner. Many metaverse platforms have additional features and functions that allow users to buy and sell virtual items. Users can create their virtual stores, just as they would in real life, and fill them with any products they want. Some people specialize in clothes or accessories, while others focus on unique objects like weapons or furniture. Regardless of what you choose to sell, there's always a market for it within the metaverse. You can also buy items from other shops and then flip them for profit by selling them at a higher price. You may read online guides that demonstrate how to find great deals on items you can use to make huge profits in the future. Number 3. Play to earn games. If you love playing video games, why not earn money doing what you already love? Play to earn games are one of the most popular ways of making money in the metaverse. This type of game spins traditional gaming by allowing players to earn cryptocurrency while playing. The virtual universe is filled with exciting play-to-earn games you can play. There is something for everyone, from unique word search and puzzle games to cutthroat chess tournaments. Number 2. Trade Metaverse Token. A Metaverse token is an open-source digital asset issued by and built on top of Ethereum ETH. The token's value depends on the demand and supply in the market. You may trade them on exchanges for fiat currency or other cryptocurrencies. Buying a Metaverse token is like buying stocks, but this would depend on the future of Metaverse. If the Metaverse is performing well, your token may also increase in value, and you can gain profits. Number 1. Buy and sell real estate. The most common way to earn money in the metaverse is to buy virtual land and then sell it later at a profit. Think of it as purchasing property in a bustling community and waiting for the area to flourish so you can make some good money by selling your land. Of course, this method is not exactly easy since you have no idea how much people will pay for your land in the future. But if you do your research well, you may be able to predict the growth of certain areas in the metaverse and earn a decent amount of profit from your investments. Conclusion. As you can see, there are many ways to make money in the metaverse. You don't need to be a professional designer to make good money, all you need is passion, drive, and luck. If you have any skills in the real world that you can take to the virtual world, then do it and earn money. Moreover, the metaverse is just starting, and more opportunities will come along the way. But if there is one resounding takeaway here, it's this: don't try doing everything at once or spread yourself too thin. Start with what you feel most comfortable with, and build on your foundation. That's all for today. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please leave us with your valuable feedback if you found this video interesting. Stay tuned to our channel till the next video, and until then, see you soon.